Hello, teacher. How are you? Okay. Waitress. Mm, how are you ready? What would you like to order? Client. I think I will order roast beef. Mm, Waitress. Okay. I also have pasta. Client. No, I prefer only roast meat. Waitress. Okay. How would you like anything to drink? Client. I goose. I will have a glass of this apple. Waitress. Would you like anything else? Client. Yes. I'd like something later. Thanks. Thank you. Later. Waitress. Would you like some dessert? Client. Yes. I would like a cake. Cook. Waitress. What flavor would you like? Client. I will have strawberry. Waitress. Okay, I will break off immediately. Thank you, teacher. Bye.